guys, it's Callie and welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Callie and I'm a second semester nursing student. And in this video, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me throughout another week in my life as a nursing student. This week is going to be a pretty busy week because we have two clinicals this week. We have one for complex health nursing and one for psych mental health nursing. So I'll take you guys along with me throughout those and share with you guys what we do during those clinicals. And then I also have some pretty big exams coming up next week that I need to start preparing for. So I'll take you guys along with me and show you guys how I like to study for those and pretty much everything that I do during a typical week in my life as a nursing student. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and without further ado, let's get into it. Good morning, guys, and happy Monday. It's currently like 7:30 in the morning. I just got to school and I'm about to go to farm. Our farm class is at 8 o'clock until 11, and then we have our first psych exam at 1 o'clock today. So I'm kind of nervous for it just because it's the first exam, but I spent like all of yesterday studying like my Quizlets and doing ATI questions because I feel like sometimes our teachers pull exam questions from ATI, and I'll probably do some more of those today in class just to get some more studying in. And then after that, I'm gonna go to the library, and then we have our first complex health clinical tomorrow. So I'm spending the night here tonight because it's at 6:30 in the morning, but I'm probably gonna run to the store after the library sometime later today to grab like lunch and stuff for tomorrow, and probably like a coffee or an energy drink or something. But yeah, so it's gonna be a long day today, and I'm kind of nervous for that psych exam, but I'm sure it'll be fine. It's supposed to be like our easier class this semester, so it'll probably be okay, but the first exam is just always so nerve-wracking. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna see you guys again, but I will update you guys sometime later. Guys, it's 10 o'clock. Classes were good. The psych exam went well, I think. Fingers crossed. We don't get our grades back until Friday, so I don't even know if like I'll be able to tell you guys how I did in this video, but I just got back from Target, so we're gonna do a Target haul of what I got for lunch tomorrow. And funny story, I don't think I look like it anymore, but if I look like I was crying, it's because I got pulled over for the very first time in my life, literally like an hour ago on my way to Target, because I didn't stop all the way at a stop sign, and I literally just like sobbed. And like I was just, I don't know, I was so like nervous. Like I didn't even know why he pulled me over at first, to be honest. Like I didn't realize I didn't stop at the stop sign, and I thought like maybe it was because I didn't use my signal, or I don't know. Like I was like, I don't know why he pulled me over. I'd never been pulled over before, so I think I was just like so anxious, and so I started sobbing, and I thought for sure I was gonna get a ticket because I also didn't have my license on me. I know that's like super bad, but for once I left it at home, and like of course the one time I've ever gotten pulled over, I didn't have it on me, so I thought for sure I was screwed. Like I thought for sure I was getting a ticket, and he just gave me 2 warnings, which is like literally a blessing. Like I'm so thankful for that because my car insurance is already so expensive, and like if he had given me tickets for that, that would have been, that would have ruined my week. Like honestly, that would have probably ruined like my month. So I'm so thankful. But anyway, we're gonna do our little Target haul now of what I got for tomorrow. So first thing up, I got coffee because I cannot survive clinical without caffeine in my system, and I always bring like an Alani energy drink, but I'm more of a coffee person than an energy drink person. Like I love coffee, so I've always seen this and I've never tried it, so I got this like it's like protein coffee. I didn't really get it for the protein though. It just looks good, and it has like 200 milligrams of caffeine in it, because I was gonna get the Alani one because Alani New makes coffee, and I looked at the caffeine amount and there's like half as much in the Alani New ones as this one. So I got this one, and then I literally got another one to try. I've always seen these Starbucks ones, and I got the triple shot one with 0 sugar, so it's a little bit healthier, I guess. I mean, it probably has a bunch of artificial sweeteners in it, but I got this for lunch and this for the morning because I know I'm gonna be so tired tomorrow. So I got those, and then I grabbed one of these. I've never had it before, but it's the little Felino uncured Italian salami with manchego cheese. So hopefully that's good. And then honestly, the thing I'm most excited for is I got the Perfect Bar. Finally, I've always seen like people eating them like on TikTok and stuff, and I always see them at the store and they look really good and I hear good things about them, and they're like in the cold section too, so they're like cold, but I never grab them because they're kind of expensive, and then like just for one bar, and then just I usually am not the biggest fan of protein bars, so I never get them, but I figured like today was the perfect time to grab one for lunch tomorrow because I couldn't find like anything I wanted for tomorrow, guys. So I grabbed this, and then I also have an Oikos protein yogurt, and I might pack... Okay, my light just died on me, so that's a sign that I need to go inside. But I also have an Oikos protein yogurt, and I might take that too. I don't know, I'm usually pretty hungry at lunchtime for clinical because I don't eat any breakfast just because I don't have time. So I'll probably pack like an extra like Oikos, and like I have the little Popcorners chips too. So I might like add one of those in my lunchbox too. But yeah, that's what we're working with for lunch tomorrow. I probably won't see you guys until like after clinical, but I'll update you guys sometime like tomorrow night or Wednesday. Hey guys, happy Wednesday. I just got to school. It's 12:23 right now, and I'm about to go to my complex health class. After clinical yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I literally didn't do anything like all night. I took a nap for a few hours, and I wasn't gonna, but I was just so tired. And then after that, I ate some dinner and I just like watched TV, and I really didn't do anything. So today after class, I'm gonna start studying and preparing for my 2 exams next week, because we have our second exams in pharmacology and complex health. Our first exams were a couple weeks ago and they went well. I got an A on the pharm one and a B on the complex health one, but I'm really scared for this second complex health exam because it covers a lot of material and it's all in like the cardiovascular system, and there's just a lot of content on there. Like there's literally like heart failure, cardiomyopathy, myocardial infarction, peripheral vascular disease, peripheral artery disease, EKGs are on there, and I'm really nervous for that, like how to read them and interpret them and everything. So yeah, and then so class today is from 1 to 5, and then I'm gonna drive back home and start studying and stuff. I have most of my Quizlets done for those 2 exams next week, but I still need to finish up some stuff. So I really want to just get those Quizlets done so I can start studying them. So tomorrow's Thursday, and I'll just spend like most of the day doing that. And then on Friday, we have our 3rd psych clinical, and then I'll just spend the rest of the weekend studying for those 2 exams next week. So that's the game plan right now. I don't know when I'll see you guys again, but I will update you guys sometime either later today or tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Thursday. I've just been sitting here for a few hours trying to complete some of my stuff off my planner. I have clinical tomorrow, so I really need to get stuff done today, and I really want to get like all of my Quizlets all done because after tomorrow, I just have 2 days before my exams, and I'm pretty stressed out because the content on this complex health one is a lot. Like for our complex health exam, it's covering so much stuff. These are my Quizlets that I've made so far, and it's covering hypertension, coronary artery disease, angina, valve disorders, anemia, cardiomyopathy, heart failure, peripheral artery disease, peripheral venous disorders, and then the EKG stuff, anemia, like all of this is going to be on it. And this Quizlet, guys, is already 336 flashcards. I actually just finished it, but like that's just one of them because I have to study that one, and then the EKG one and anemia, and I'm not even done with the anemia one or the EKG one yet. So I'm working on the anemia one right now, and then I'm gonna finish the EKG one, but I'm just super stressed out for this exam. It's on Wednesday, but like I have to study for pharmacology before this one because our pharmacology exam is on Monday. And I'm not as stressed for that one because it's covering a lot less content. But I'm stressed because after the farm one, like I have no time to study for the complex health one that I just showed you guys, like all that stuff, because we have clinical the day before our complex health exam. So we're gonna be at clinical like all day. And yeah, I'm just getting so stressed out, but I'm just gonna try to study and do the best that I can because that's all you can really do in nursing school is like just do the best you can. Like sometimes situations just aren't going to be ideal. Like right now we have 2 clinicals a week, and so psych clinical tomorrow is already going to take a huge chunk out of my day tomorrow that I could be spending studying. But that's just how it is in nursing school. Like you just have to try your best really and just keep moving forward. So but yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. And then I also wanted to show you guys something super awesome. My Life as Sugar on Instagram sent me her ultimate nursing school study guide, which was so sweet of her, and I wanted to open it on camera with you guys. She sent me this for free, which was so sweet of her. This is what everything looks like inside, and she sent a little thank you card. It says, success is a combination of hard work, determination, and perseverance. If you fail, don't give up. Instead, stand up again and face the challenge. The joy will definitely be yours. Good luck. Guys, look how cute this is. The quality is so nice, you guys, because it's hardcover, so like none of the pages will get bent or anything. Okay, I laid it on my bed so that you guys can see better, but like look, the first couple of pages are just all stickers, and they're all like motivational quotes and stuff saying like, I can do this, I will not give up on my goal, I study with a positive mindset. These are so cute. And then it comes with a table of contents with literally everything that you cover in nursing school. She has a section for fundamentals, health assessment, pharmacology, mental health nursing, so that's what I'm taking right now, along with pharmacology, maternity and pediatrics, which I take over the summer, and then med-surg 1 and 2, which is like the equivalent to complex health, which I'm in right now. And then guys, look how cute these pages are. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. Like look how cute this is. I'll show you guys like a quick little flip through of it, but it is so cute. Like she includes pictures for everything, like little drawings. We're literally studying EKGs right now, like I showed you for our complex exam, and she has an entire section on it. And look at this, she literally includes like pictures of all the different rhythms and stuff. This is going to be so helpful. Oh my gosh, literally obsessed. Like look at this, this is so cute. I cannot wait to use this to study, you guys. But yeah, I was so excited to share this with you guys. It's the cutest nursing school bundle ever. I'm so happy she sent this to me, and I cannot wait to start studying with it. And I'm going to make sure to link it down below for you guys at mylifeissugar.com if any of you guys want to get one yourselves. But now that I shared that with you guys and I told you guys about what I'm doing right now, I probably won't see you guys again until sometime tomorrow, probably after clinical, because I have my psych clinical tomorrow morning. I have to wake up really early. I'm probably going to have to wake up at like 5:45 because it's a bit of a drive, and I'll try to get some clips for you guys going to clinical and stuff. But yeah, I probably won't see you guys again until sometime tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get all these Quizlets done today. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys sometime tomorrow and update you on how clinical went. guys, it's 6:24 a.m. and I'm currently driving to psych clinical right now. We've got our bagel made, our coffee, and we're just gonna drive and eat and listen to some music and try to wake up. I'm so tired, like I could not sleep last night. I think I probably got like maybe 2 hours of sleep at most. But like the last time I checked the clock, it was like 3 something and I had to wake up at 5:25 is what I set my alarm for. So we're running on very little sleep today, but I think that when I get home, I'm just gonna honestly take like the biggest nap ever and then get back to studying. And that's what the day is looking like. So yeah, and I'll update you guys on psych clinical and like share a little bit with you guys that I can about like what we did or like talked about or whatever. But yeah, wish me luck and hope I don't fall asleep because I'm literally so tired. But yeah, I'll see you guys sometime later. Hey guys, I just got back home from psych clinical and I wanted to update you guys on how it went. I just picked up some Starbucks because I haven't had it in forever. I just got a matcha because with an espresso, like I've just been saving so much money. Like I don't get coffee the way I used to anymore, which is so nice. But this morning I wanted like a sweet treat, so I got that. But anyway, psych clinical was good. I don't think I've updated you guys on how psych clinical is yet because I haven't vlogged since we started them. We have 4 this semester and this was our 3rd one, so we have 1 left. It's next week. But basically pretty much how they go is we mainly just talk to the patients and that's really all it is. It's a lot of observing. Like we don't really fill out for our normal clinicals, like our complex health clinicals and patient-centered care clinical last semester. We have NPWs, which are these forms that we fill out about the patient, and it's like we write down like their vital signs, their past medical history, their present illness, or like whatever brought them into the hospital. And we write down like their lab values and just all sorts of stuff on those NPWs. But for psych, we don't do that. All we really do is observe, and then we talk about what we observed on the psych unit, or we chat with the patients, and then we talk about and discuss like those chats later with our clinical instructor. So that's really all it is. Psych is like, our psych clinicals have been pretty chill because it's really just like talking with the patients, and we don't really like take vital signs or anything the way that we do for our other clinicals. And so now that I'm home, I'm just gonna, you know, probably eat and then take a nap because I don't think I'm gonna make it through the day without taking one. And then after that, I'm just gonna study. I finished all of my Quizlets last night except for one, and it's very close to being done. I think I just have 1 more page left on my EKG and electricity grid for complex health that I need to finish, and then I'm all done with that Quizlet. So yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much spend the rest of the day doing that, and then the rest of this weekend studying for those 2 exams. But yeah, it's been a busy week. This entire month, honestly, is just like a lot because we have these 2 clinicals a week throughout the entirety of February. But yeah, I wanted to take you guys along with me throughout this week and show you guys what my week in the life has been looking like lately with these 2 clinicals a week and these exams and everything throughout this 2nd semester. And I think I'm going to finish this video here because I really don't have much else to show you guys other than just me studying my Quizlets, and it pretty much just looks like me on my phone, like doing my flashcards because I do them on my phone. So I'm gonna end the video here, but I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure to give it a like and to subscribe for more videos from me in the future. I'm trying to vlog as often as I can for you guys. And yeah, so I don't know when I'll see you guys again, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.